Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to set custom ringtone on the Redmi A5. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. From here, just scroll down and tap on sounds and vibration. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on phone ringtone. Now to set a custom ringtone on your smartphone, just scroll down and tap on Add Ringtone. Now from here, just select your favorite music which is downloaded on your smartphone. Just like that. And this is how you can set custom ringtone on the Redmi A5. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.